Okay, welcome to the long range weather forecast discussion. This is a long range forecast discussion for January 30th to February 13th. And what we're expecting here uh, for the period for January 30th to February 3rd is a region in the west troughing in the east. Positive height anomalies here across the Arctic region and much of Canada. All right, this will lead to very cold temperatures in the east. The main area of uncertainty is along the East Coast this weekend for a possibility of another East Coast storm. We'll look at this now. So this is the upper levels. Here it comes through. For this, you have to have this southern stream energy run out ahead of this northern stream energy for a storm to form, which it does. This is a GFS. Here's a European, and it spins up a deep storm system here. All right. Question is, where does it track? Uh, we'll look at the models. We'll look at the various models here. This is the GFS. Furthest north, bringing snow here to parts of the Middle Atlantic region. We'll look at the European. Further, a little bit further outside, missing most of the populated areas. Here is the European ensembles further offshore. Here's the European AI offshore, but comes close. Here it is to the coast. Here is the GFS AI. Bring some precipitation in, and we'll look at the UK Met offshore. But keep in mind, some of the members that all goes into this, there's like 30 or 50 members each. Some of them are showing deviations, so it could be a little bit of snow, or we can get clobbered with snow here along the East Coast, or we can get nothing if the trend continues offshore. We have plenty of time to watch this, but this will be a very impactful storm. Even though if it misses us, there'll be strong gusty winds along with colder temperatures, making conditions worse, even for with areas that have power outages. It's going to be very cold and everything. So we have a lot of time to watch this, and we'll keep you up to date. Now moving to the west coast, we will have a southerly flow or southerly Pacific flow into the northwest. This will bring some precipitation to the region, and snow levels will be high. You can see here, so the snow will be confined to the highest elevations. Okay, we're going to look at the period for February 4th to the 8th. Pattern remains the same. Ridge trough configuration, stretched polar vortex here, weakening, strong positive economics across Greenland and the Arctic. So for this forecast period, I am calling for, let me get to the map, calling for above normal precipitation here, above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of up to 6 degrees or more above normal, below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 6 degrees or more below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, with this pattern, the temperature anomalies don't really change that much because the pattern is what we have is what we have. The only thing that might fluctuate more are the rainfall forecast or precipitation forecast. All right. So we're going to look forward for the period February 9th to the 13th. Most of the models have a broad trough covering much of the country. Strong positive height anomalies near Greenland. Here's 2 centers of upper low with a stretch low according to European ensembles. So for this forecast period, I am calling for a little change in the temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, I am calling for